A sharp drop for the Australian dollar last week. Let's find out why and what could happen next in your weekly update on the Australian dollar. Here are the exchange rates between the Australian dollar and other major currencies. If there is another currency you need, you can head to our live rates page, which is linked below. The rates on the left are the actual rates, so let's have a look at what you could get offered at a bank for an international money transfer or currency exchange. The percentage difference in the third column lets us see how much of a margin the banks are putting on the rate. It's this and the fees you're charged that you need to be careful of when it comes to currency. While holding strong against the US dollar for the most part, the end of last week didn't prove as good for the Australian dollar. It fell sharply at the end of the week, getting below 75 US cents again, and the lowest point this month. This is because official interest rates went up in the US and there was indication this would happen again by the end of the year. While we should be conscious of the drop in the Australian dollar, we should also keep in mind that it's still higher than it was 18 months ago against the US dollar. When we look at the graph for the Australian dollar in the last 12 months, we can see that it is low at the moment, but we shouldn't be too pessimistic just yet. After the drop we saw last week, let's see if the banks have changed their 2018 currency forecasts. The forecasts remain unchanged again this week. Generally, it seems that the banks see the dollar dropping further against most major currencies. If this is the case, it could be good news for you if you're converting currency to Australian dollars or if you're transferring money into the country. For regular updates about the Australian dollar, you can watch our weekly videos and subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss any. If you do make international money transfers, our channel is dedicated to reviewing companies, showing you how to use them and making sure you don't get ripped off. At thecurrencyshop.com.au, we compare exchange rates for international money transfers and currency exchange. So if you're heading overseas soon, or if you need to send money overseas, you can head there to compare rates.